Ano na ba'y mga higayon sa atong kinabuhi nga nakaingon kita tungod sa atong mga sala nga nahimo? Wala na kita panggaa pa sa ato ang Ginoo. Ano na ba'y mga higayon sa atong kinabuhi nga nakaingon kita sa ato ang kaugalingon? Patungod sa atong mga kahuyangan, wala na kita panggaa pa sa ato ang langitnong Amahan. Ano na ba'y mga higayon sa atong kinabuhi nga nakaingon kita sa ato ang kaugalingon? Nga wala na kita iangay nga muduol o muatubang sa ato ang Ginoo tungod sa mga kasipyatan sa atong kinabuhi nga atong nahimo. Mayong adlaw kaning tanan mga igsuon, ani ana pud ako si Father Giuseppe Pumasi alang sa atong inadlaw nga pamalandong sa pulong sa Ginoo, pamalandong sa ebanghelyo.
Through my fingers every time I try to capture every minute. That feeling is slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in their mind each time I think I'm close to nowhere? She keeps on going, slipping through my fingers all the time. Sometimes I wish that I could freeze the picture and save it from the funny tricks of time slipping through my fingers.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seemed to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better